This is a video on how to change your product labels and price labels on a vending machine, on a beverage machine specifically, a stacker. We're going to look at two types. First, we're going to look at this type with the oval label, and then we'll look at the ones with the more traditional rectangular labels. Pretty easy to do. We open up the machine. We reach inside a little tab. This oval label pulls right out. You just put in your new label. Very simple. You should put prices on your label. Makes your customers happier. You can get these label kits from the manufacturers, or you can have labels printed, little stickers. They just peel off, go back on. Very simple to put the label right back in. If for some reason you're at an account and they request a product you do not have, and you're going to put some kind of label in, you can take the cardboard container that maybe your product comes in. You can trace around this on the cardboard, cut it out with scissors, use that as a label to put in the machine. You can try to write one by hand. If you do, if I was going to have to write one by hand on here, for instance, I know that when I put it in the machine, I would put it in backwards, that the light will shine through and you'll see this Diet Coke in reverse. It looks bad. You can just take any piece of thick paper, preferably like a poster board or a cardboard, trace the outline also of this, cut that out, and put it behind it when you put it in to keep the light from shining through until you can get back with a proper label if you do not have one, if you just don't happen to have any on your truck that day.